Dear students, under the topic vector differentiation, here we have result 9 and 10. It says that if r vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector and modulus of r vector is equal to r, show that nebula of, that is nebula dot product with f of r vector is equal to r multiplied with f dash of r plus 3 times f of r. And also, if this quantity is equal to 0, then the function f of r is given by c by r cube, where c is an arbitrary constant. So let us prove this. First, we shall prove this result, that is nebula dot f of r multiplied with r vector is equal to r f dash of r plus 3 f of r. Now, in order to prove this result, we have to make use of the identity which we have learnt previously, that is nebula dot phi a vector, that is a scalar point function multiplied with vector point function, will be equal to nebula phi dot product with a vector plus phi multiplied with nebula dot a vector. This we have learnt already, so we are applying that over here. So here if you see, f of r will be taken as phi and r vector will be taken as a vector. So when we apply this identity, we get nebula dot f of r multiplied with r vector to be equal to. Now what is nebula phi? It will be nebula f of r dot product with a vector. A vector is what? R vector. Plus phi is f of r. So f of r multiplied with nebula dot a vector. So nebula dot, instead of a we have r vector over here. So now what is nebula f of r? We already know a result where nebula f of r is given by, so nebula f of r is given by f dash of r multiplied with r cap. So this result we have already derived. This is the first result that we derived. So we are going to apply this result for nebula f of r. Also we know that nebula dot r vector is equal to 3. This is one of the results that we have derived. So kindly check out those results which we have already derived previously. So now we shall apply these two results over here. So when we apply, this becomes nebula dot f of r multiplied with r vector to be equal to. Now instead of nebula f of r, we will be writing f dash of r multiplied with r cap dot product with r vector plus f of r multiplied with, this value is 3. Now we know that r cap is equal to r vector divided by r. So when we substitute that, we get f dash of r. Now instead of r cap, we can write it as r vector divided by r, and then dot product with r vector plus 3 multiplied with f of r. Now we see that, we know that r vector dot product with r vector will be equal to r square. So applying this, we will be getting f dash of r multiplied with r square divided by this r plus 3 multiplied with f of r. Now we see that one of the r gets cancelled and we get the answer to be equal to r multiplied with f dash of r plus 3f of r. So this is the required result that we have to prove. So nebula dot f of r vector is equal to r multiplied with f dash of r plus 3 f of r. So hence we have proved the required result. So this is the result that we have proved. Now it is given that if nebula dot f of r vector, that is this quantity, if it is equal to 0, we have to show that f of r is given by c by r cube, where c is any arbitrary constant. So first we shall write this. So it is given that nebula dot f of r vector is equal to 0. But just now we have derived this to be r into f dash of r plus 3 f of r. So we have derived this just now. So we substitute that, and that is equal to what? It is 0. So from this, keeping this term to the left, r multiplied with f dash of r, and taking this term to the right, it becomes negative 3 f of r. So this can be rewritten as Bringing this f of r to the left, it goes to the denominator, and taking this r to the right, it goes to the denominator, and we have f dash of r divided by f of r to be equal to negative 3 by r. Now we shall integrate on both the sides with respect to r. So integral dr. So here also integral dr we will have. We know that if the differentiation of the denominator is the numerator, then the integral of such term will be log of the denominator. So using that formula, we can write this as, that is, I will write that formula here. So integral f dash of r by f of r dr is always equal to logarithm of f of r, because the numerator is the differentiation of the denominator. So the solution is log of f of r. So this can be written as log of f of r equals minus 3 is a constant. Integral 1 by r dr is what? Log r. And since both the terms are in log, we can take the constant of integration as log c. Now taking this term to the left, log of f of r minus, it becomes plus 3 log r is equal to log c. So this 3 log r can be written as, now this becomes log of f of r plus 3 log r can be written as log r cube, because this can be taken to the power. So log r cube. So because we know that a log b can be written as logarithm of b to the power a. So using this concept we have applied here, concept of logarithm, and that is equal to log r. We know that log a plus log b can be written as log of AB. So we can write the product of two, that is log of AB. Okay, so I've written here clearly. So log AB. So in that case, this is like A and this is like B, and so this can be written as logarithm of f of r cube is equal to logarithm of c. Now since both the sides we have log, we can equate this constant c to f of r cube. So we will be having f of r multiplied with r cube to be equal to c. And so from this we get f of r to be equal to c divided by r cube. So therefore we have proved the required result. So this is what we have to prove. That is, we have to prove that f of r is equal to c by r cube. Hence we have obtained the required result. So I hope you would have understood both the results 9 and 10. Kindly follow the next video lecture for result 11. Thank you.